Hello YouTube, a real quick video on these folding utility knife set. I really like these. One of them, the screw was loose, so the pocket clip was real rattly. I did chew it up. It was so loose I actually could grab it with my little vice grip. So I chewed it up a little bit, so I ground it and smoothed it. You can probably tell the difference. But this one I'll be using. But that's how small they are. And here's a box cutter. Okay. Here's your standard box cutter with a razor blade. So there's your difference. Always close these back up when you're done. Okay. It's a lock blade. See that? This one's kind of stiff, but that's good. I'll be carrying this one because I got the screw so tight in it. You're not going to do that even if the screws. You're not going to do that, flick that thing open. It's probably good. It's a razor blade. There you go. It's like 5 inches. I can grab a ruler. Make the video longer. So I grab a ruler. 5 inches when it's open. So where your hand's going to go is plenty enough. I mean, I got big hands. I'll be using this all the time. I get slid back here. See, where your finger kind of goes there, and that, you kind of see what I mean? Okay, just get your fingers around that thing. Oh yeah, I'll be using this a lot more than a big utility knife. Get all this stuff out of my view here. So that's about it. Next, give me, you know, it's nice. Look at that. How many people give you a little thank you card? You know, how many people give you that? And I'll show you real quick, real fast. I don't get paid to show you this, but my, see? There's my folding Mossy Oak saw. And then I'll get up real close on this. I should take a picture of this. Like I said, I go to their storefront, Great Star on Amazon. You just put, you know, you can put in, type all this in and stuff, but I go in the storefronts and you see what all they got. That's how I found these. I was looking at the saw, so I went to their storefront and found the other stuff. So, Great Star. Just, a lot of people don't realize that. There's one company you're going to make all this stuff. I mean, look at all this different stuff. I mean, some of these tools are more than what I'd pay for them being a cheap tool. But I like getting the cheapy deals and stuff's good. You know, you get what you pay for. Like the, those, I showed a video on one of them. It's really nice. If you remember, I showed everything was black on it. It's really nice. Set. So, there you go. That's all you need. That's all you get. Real quick. I just had to show you these because they're just so neat. I mean, look how small that is. Oh, one more thing. See that? You could probably get a keychain on it, a little key ring. Maybe they thought about that, but ain't that nice? You can put it in your pocket. There we go. Thanks for watching.